Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. I'm also doing absolutely fine here. And I'm very thankful of them who gave me so much love and support in my first video. So thank you so much. And today's video is all about for how to create a expensive kind of look on a budget, or how to create a more attractive kind of look on a budget. It doesn't mean that you should have expensive kind of clothes, expensive kind of jewelries or bags, or luxurious kind of bags. नो बस दैट्स डजंट मैटर. मैटर्स ये करता है कि आप कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कैसे चूज़ करते हो. दैट्स मैटर मोर. उससे भी ज़्यादा मैटर ये करता है कि आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज. It talks about your body language, it talks about your personality, the way you talk, the way you behave with the peoples. That's matter more. So yeah, मैं भी बहुत ही रिच फैमिली से बिलोंग्स नहीं करती हूँ. मैं भी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हूँ. सो मेरे पास भी बहुत ही क्यूट सा लिटिल क्यूट वन पर्स है, छोटे छोटे नॉर्मल सी ड्रेसेस है. सो या जिससे मुझे क्रिएट करना अच्छा लगता है. एक्सपेंसिव से लुक या कोई भी स्टाइलिश को क्रिएट करना अच्छा लगता है. Okay, so wait, I'll show you. Okay, so this one white little cute purse which I'm going to wear today, and this one is college going coat, and some of the rings and earrings are here, and this one sunglasses which I'm going to wear, and this one is Grace pant which I like most, and this one top, black top with high neck. This one is black top, high neck, I think, not high neck, high neck one, short one, but it's short. When I'm wear, then you can look there. Okay, so let's go to wear. So this is my whole outfit look.
Don't overthink it. Why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming, but I won't wait forever, so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand.
So this is all about for today's look. I hope you guys like this look. If you did, do like, comment, and yeah, subscribe my YouTube channel. And one thing, you all are beautiful just the way you are. So be confident about yourself. Do whatever you want to do in your life. Make your family feel proud. And I'll see you next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.